Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is first question of its exercise 5.5. So the question says that which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? So option A, the adjacent edges of a tabletop. So tabletop हमारा rectangle shape हो जाएगा. So here all angles are perpendicular to each other. So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा हमारा the adjacent line of edges of a tabletop is perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Then B is the lines of a railway track. ये होती है हमारी parallel to each other. See line segment forming the letter L. So L में हमारी two lines, one and this. So both are perpendicular to each other. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा हमारे पास perpendicular to each other. And letter V, in V, two inclined lines make an acute angle. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा यहाँ पे acute angle. So parallel हमारे सिर्फ दो ही केसेस में है perpendicular A and C. तो पूछेगा which of the following are models for perpendicular lines. तो आ जाएगा first and third. Thank you.